Hello everybody, I don't have Bouncy with me. We're going to stop at the Sundance car wash here in Leola. I can't stand to see the dirt on this thing anymore. I have never filmed this car wash. There used to be one bay and it was very similar to the Blue Ball one before, and now this is similar to the Blue Ball one after being renovated. We don't have any of those on that. Anyway, let's take a look at the wash options. We're going to do the soft brush wash. Here's your one shot to 11 Express, 13 Deluxe, and 16 Flat. I think I know which one I'm going to do. Even though it's, of course, nothing's cheap anymore. Be praying for that. Okay, give me a second. Alright. Approved, yay.
For a receipt, press print.
Sure, I'll take one.
Please select your receipt.
Where's that? Way down there. Whoop! What? Be right back. Alright, we're going to do dash cam into the bay. Ugh. I dropped my debit card right as I was picking up the receipt. That's why I abruptly paused it. I expected to stop any second. Now we'll do handheld camera. Might have pulled in a little crooked. Is actually really tight. Yeah. Had to reposition itself, I think, because it hit the mirrors. Just change directions. My dad said this was rough on your vehicle. No, it's not. Oh, brushes are going in.
Ah, front light. Can't see anything.
Spot free rinse. All right. We get 70 seconds of dryer time. We're going to do dash cam for the dryers. Take my time a little bit more now. A little bit of a weird angle. Trying to use every second of it. Alright. That will be it. Thank you very much for watching.